Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 lets users save a slideshow presentation as a video and upload it to Microsoft Stream to share it with other users in their organization. As when exporting a presentation as a video, this is most effective after recording a slideshow, as shown in the earlier lesson titled Record a Slideshow, but it is not required. If available, slide timings and narration are used by the video, but if omitted, each slide without timing displays for 5 seconds in the video. To publish a presentation as a video to Stream, open the presentation to export. Then click the File tab in the ribbon to show the Backstage view. Then click the Export command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Publish to Microsoft Stream command in the panel to the right to show the export options in the Microsoft Stream pane at the right side of the window. Alternatively, click the Recording tab in the ribbon, and then click the Publish to Stream button in the Save button group to open this same pane. To enter a title for the video, type it into the Title field in the Microsoft Stream pane. To enter a description for the video, type it into the Description field in the Microsoft Stream pane. To share the video with everyone in your organization, check the Allow everyone in your organization to see this video checkbox. To publish the original PowerPoint file along with the video, check the Upload your original PowerPoint file along with this video checkbox. To then publish, upload, and process the video in Stream, click the Publish button in the Microsoft Stream pane. The status of the presentation's production, uploading, and processing then appears in the status bar in PowerPoint. When it is finished, a message box appears above the status bar to let you know it is ready to view. You can click this message box to open the video in your default web browser and show the video in Microsoft Stream.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.